thing where you get the...
And I just asked. Hip hop mostly.
K-pop?
Hip hop. It's so green here. Just stopped in a tunnel before between two stations for 20 minutes. Train and I had to take the next one. I went to Berlin alone.
Like your whole life would be so fundamentally...
He has much better food there.
Yeah.
thing where you get the milk from.
Nowadays, I think China becomes a gas factor for keeping your future present. Yeah, and this present.
I'm starting with my first question, okay?
Because like it's already like 1.5, and when we reach like the top, there'll be three things, and you could be like.
But sunset is around 7, I guess.
Das aber ein langer Weg.
When you in this house,
We have to go up there. Jump to the side. Nice.
You're good?
Now I go eat. 3, 4. Okay, sure.
In 8 minutes.
Yeah.
People just sleeping back here and
This is the last. Oh my god.
Don't know the path.
I just came from this side. From this side? From this side.
Okay. My shoes. Oh my god. Or dirty shoes. I guess. Do you think it'll be so cozy like a
let's take a 5-minute break.
here? Yeah. Chemise.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's gonna take us longer because again we'll slow down a lot.
Why? Where should he go? Where should he go?
next door is getting the dog.
Yeah.
No, I don't need. No.
You have cookie, right?
Take a look.
But we don't know where we had to, right?
We're also.
But we look so happy, right?
It's all luck. Yesterday she was talking to Batu about hiking and I just asked where.
Do we go out? Or? Yeah, we'll go.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Caroline.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
Have
you
a
very
good
much.
day.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.